How to change display name on Spotify. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can change display name on Spotify. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. Now, in order to change your display name on Spotify, simply go ahead and open up your Spotify application. You'll be on the home page as you can see on the screen. On your home page, you want to tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, a pop-up will appear from the left that says Add Account, What's New, Your Sound Capsule, Recent, and Settings and Privacy. Up above, however, under your profile name, you can see View Profile option. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be headed into your profile page. There, tap on Edit option. Once you tap on Edit, you can see the name option. Tap on it, and now you can go ahead and make changes to your display name, and you can go ahead and tap on Save. So this is how you can change your display name on Spotify. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.